Hi guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you are doing well. Today I'm going to show you how to send photo as document in WhatsApp. So let's see. Go to your WhatsApp first. Choose a friend. You can see at the bottom right this icon which name is attachment icon. Click on that. Now you can see here the document option. Click on that. Now at the very top you can see browse other document, the first one. Just click on that. Now go to your gallery or images, camera, and choose a picture. Then click on the send button. See, your photo is sent as document. So this is how you can send photo as document in WhatsApp. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching the video.